Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR on your TCL 32V5C TV. First of all, open TV settings sidebar by pressing the gear button on your remote control. After that, you're gonna have to go to picture menu, go to picture presets and change it to Smart HDR. Press OK to confirm, and then the HDR will be enabled, and you can also go to apply all picture mode to either the current source or all sources on your TV. And that's basically how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.